Someone's sad today. Hey, it's Faye. Welcome back to the cooking show. Woo!
I'm a born singer.
Anyways, we have a live audience today, Miss Thang. And I have quite the explanation. So on episode 5 on season 4, they went camping and Suga cooked this tang, spicy braised chicken dish, right? People were like, you should try it because like you're such a great cook. Everyone's hungry, right? They just said yes. We're gonna tempt Suga's braised chicken dish. Per usual, we went to the store and we bought all the ingredients except what you're gonna need: potatoes, 1 onion, some carrot, drumsticks. Oh, and also rice. Oh yeah. So make rice. So for this dish, you need the what is it called? The braised chicken sauce, alright? But I went to the Asian store, they don't have it. You can technically make it. Apparently the sauce is composed of red pepper paste, soy sauce, red pepper flakes, sugar, honey, rice wine, and sesame oils. But we're not gonna go for that. Instead, we are going for this sauce. I know it's gonna mess it up, but you know. You can do 2 cups.
How much water?
Like, just like, measure it with your finger.
Water.
Do a little bit over the water, the rice.
Really? That's how we do it.
We could have had a sauce, right? But we found this like Korean barbecue sauce. And honestly, I was against this idea. But, I mean, it contains almost everything you need. Just a little more. Just like a little more. We're not going to put too much of this sauce. This is barbecue sauce. But it's gonna work out. It's technically the same thing. It's gonna work out. Like, let's just trust. I mean, you can make the sauce, but like, who cares? Am I right?
Right.
Who's gonna help me?
No.
I'm gonna have some assistance because like I just can't do anything on my own. Okay, so we have drumsticks here because that's what BTS used, I think.
Okay. This
Yeah.
is mine.
Wait. Okay, so she's peeling the carrots, and then as she does that, I'm gonna start off on the onion. Then I even does. Oh my god, teamwork! I never had a sous chef in the kitchen.
I'm making this nice and clean.
I'm just confused with what I'm doing.
Thinking.
So let's talk about feelings today. How's it going? We're throwing hella shade. It's like beep, 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 beep.
Look how elegantly I'm cutting this.
Boy, they're too thin. Okay, so what you want to do is actually cut them thicker than that.
I'm gonna switch it up. That's what
That's
he did. He wanted to switch up.
Boys be like that. We cry a lot that we don't know how to laugh anymore. Hello?
What did the ocean say to the sailboat? Da 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 da.
Okay, moving on. The process of
Elimination.
okay, we're just chopping up these potatoes.
Potato have DNA.
DNA. So I'm just cutting them to this approximately, and then I'm just gonna dice them up. Whew, I'm tired. Didn't even notice. Okay, let's talk about like stupid arguments that couples have.
Couple lucky friends.
Oops.
Dude, I can't wait to eat this, except I know it's gonna taste weird. People ask me, actually they don't, why I don't start a cookbook. And I think that's because she takes these from cookbooks. Plagiarizing over here? Okay, can we talk about the ignorance of high schoolers? That's on my mind. That's on my mind. I mean, not. So you guys can't even get offended because she's a high schooler. Why are people so ignorant? I don't understand why people can't just be nice on the bus and let people sit and not have to be so entitled to their seat.
Homeboy out here being bullied.
And we don't like that. Be
Homeboy
nice.
just wanted to sit to go to Saku.
People need to be more nice and set an example.
That was because they go to a school. Because they go to a school.
Mise en place.
That's it.
Yeah, and then we just throw it in.
Are you making curry? I think I put too much water.
Okay, so here's the right roll. Here's the potato. We got onions and carrots. And then here are the drumstickies. I got dragged last time for washing my chicken, and I was spreading some maloney.
You got dragged for washing chicken? Aren't you supposed to
You're gonna spread the salmonella. Oh. Like I completely forgot. Like I don't remember in the episode if Suga like used water and boiled it or not. Like I think we could just put a little water. Let's just trust. I think this will be fine. I think this will be great.
Thinking is no problem.
We need more water than this. Come ahead, child. It's on high. Now we just kind of wait. Don't show that pan. That was me and my boys. We were doing dinner last night. They say to make bold cuts in the chicken, but my knife's already in the sink.
Why she lying?
Okay.
She almost got me. It's so bright. Much better. You can see the chicken and all the pimples and everything.
Chicken's pimple or my pimple?
Your pimples. Okay.
So I'm just gonna slash in some cuts because I am so lazy. Like who cares? Look at this. Dash, dash, slash, slash. Oh my god, see?
Dude, you are not careful with that knife.
You need to calm down.
So this is the chicken.
But yeah, so that's good. Okay, it's boiling, kind of simmering, boiling. So we're gonna put this in there. Okay, ready? It's fine. Indigo. And then we're gonna put the vegetables in and simmer this. So we have too much water and we need to like take out some of this grossness. So we're just gonna go here and dump it out. Okay. You should scoop all that nasty stuff out, but I'm too lazy. I think we get the theme today. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna put the vegetables in.
Potato.
Our potatoes browned because we didn't put them in water.
Girl.
It wasn't that
You
bad.
have one potato left.
Mix everything. Don't worry about it. Girl, don't worry. It's stew, not a soup. Suga put a lot of water in his and they're like, should we take the water out, Suga? Cookie was like,
No, let's not waste it. Let us eat it. We'll drink it.
okay, now it's time for the sauce. Like,
Do you need help?
go for it, sis. Yeah, I know. I feel weak. Okay, go.
I can lift 70.
Okay. Oh, you got it? Now that we're gonna use this rando sauce, let's just pretend. Eyeball it. Whoa, more? We're gonna stir this all in. I think more, right?
A lot.
Ooh, smells
Put
good.
some muscle.
I think more. A little more.
That's a lot.
So it looks like this now, but just wait for it. On the side, my sister's gonna be making tteokbokki. It's gonna take a while, huh? Well, we used half the sauce. So funny, you guys aren't gonna believe it. This happens every time. I didn't screw it up. It's just that like I picked the wrong ingredients. We didn't need onion, we needed green onion, and we needed garlic. But it's fine, who cares? Cooking is like experimenting and making it your own, and I'm sure we're gonna do great. Following these directions I have in my phone. Don't know why I'm like, I don't know what to do. It's just not there right now. Anyway, we're gonna play Mario now because we have nothing else to do. Time to check on our chicken. Ooh, the broth got thicker. Potatoes look great. Chicken is it cooked? Smells good. Oh no, it is burned. Okay, I think it's ready. Ooh. Totally overdid it because the potatoes are smashed. It looks like curry now. Let's see. This is curry. What it tastes like? Nothing. Oh no. Tastes fine. You just need to put salt in it. Hey, it's not that bad. Taste it. Tastes kind of dry. I hope the chicken's cooked. Where if you put salt in it, it's not bad. A review. Overdid this.
Oh, I like chicken.
How about the potato?
It's like mashed potatoes. You need to drumsticks in there. And random vegetables.
Whatever. Tender. Mmm. It's good. You cook and you learn. Should I make it again? No.
Here's some more.
I'm full. I could die. It has become mashed potato and it's burnt on the bottom. We gotta throw this out.
No, not the drumsticks.
Oh my god, this low-key went wrong.
You just suck at cooking.
It's not that. It's just
Drumstick me.
I'll try harder next time. Dude, I like it. We're throwing it away.
Not the drumsticks.
Okay, maybe not the drumsticks, but I don't think we're gonna eat it. This low-key looked like cellulite. Oh my god. She really did not do it today. Today was definitely not the day. I am in a food coma right now. Next time, better luck. Let me know if you guys have any more K-pop idol food dishes you guys want me to actually try. Okay, so that is it for this video. Like this video. I have a tummy ache. I'm gonna go now. Bye.